How to set your status on Snapchat Map. To set your status on Snapchat Map, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Tap on the pin icon on the far left corner to open the Snap Map. And also make sure that you have turned on your locations and allowed the Snapchat as well to access your location settings. Now, once you're here, you simply have to tap on the status button on the bottom left corner. From here, you can search for places by tapping on the search bar at the top, or simply select any locations that Snap Map has given you over here from the list. Once you select it, you simply have to set the status by choosing your activity. From there, once you set it, you simply have to now view your status, and you can also choose to edit it and as well as delete it from the map itself from this Snap Map. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.